everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Very good. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Don't go outside, inside your home and safe. Okay, so now which period is going on? Subject EVS. Okay, EVS period is going on. And which class do you studying? Which class? Yes, you studying in LKG. Very good. So now today I am going to teach you revision for means of transport. Okay, you start revision in all subject for your exam. So revise all the topics. Okay, revise all the topics in all subjects. So now we will revise in EVS means of transport. Okay, means of transport and related exercise. So your topic is means of transport. Means of transport. Okay, so revision for means of transport is question number 1. Circle the land transport. What is the land transport? Vehicles moves on the road. Okay, vehicles moves on the road. That is called land transport. That is called road transport. So you circle the only road transport. So on number 1, you make the picture of bus. On number 2, make the picture of boat. Okay. On number 3, you make the picture of on number 4, you make the picture of car. Next, make the picture of Here we will make G. Now you make all the pictures: bus, boat, aeroplane, helicopter, jeep, car, aeroplane and van. Now you identify which one is only land transport. Okay, those vehicle moves on the road, so you find land transport and circle the land transport. Okay, so first on number 1, which picture of this? This is a bus. Bus is land transport. Bus moves on the road. बस कहाँ चलती है? रोड पर चलती है बस, तो then bus is a road transport, land transport, and you circle the land transport, so you circle on bus. Okay, here a big circle for bus. Okay, now on number 2, which picture is this? This is a boat. Now boat moves on water. Okay, here water, so boat moves on the water. It is not a land transport, it is a water transport, so no circle for boat. Okay, no circle for boat, you circle only land transport. Understand? So no circle. Now move to the next image. This is a helicopter. Helicopter fly in the sky. Helicopter moves on the road? No. So this is also not a land transport. This is a air transport, because helicopter fly in the sky. So no circle. Why? Because helicopter no moves on the road. जो रोड पर व्हीकल्स मूव करेंगे उन्हीं को हमको सर्कल करना है. ओके, अदरवाइज नो सर्कल. सो नो बोट, no helicopter. Now next, jeep. Jeep moves on the road, yes or no? Yes, jeep moves on the road. That is why this is called land transport. Okay, jeep is a land transport vehicle. So you circle, yes or no? Yes. So you big circle for jeep. A big circle for jeep. Okay. So one circle for bus, then circle for jeep. Now move to the next line. What is this? This is a car. So car moves on the road. Yes, you see car on the road. So car is also land transport, road transport, and you circle for land transport. So you circle for car, a big circle for car. Okay, a big circle for bus, for jeep, for car. No circle for boat and no circle for helicopter, because this is not a land transport. Okay. Now next, this is a aeroplane. Aeroplane also fly in the sky. Don't moves, no moves on the road. So this is not a land transport. This is air transport.
No circle for aeroplane. Aeroplane is a air transport. This is not a land transport, so no circle for this. Now next, what is this? This is a van. Van is a van on the road or water or air. Van moves on the road. This is also a land transport and a big circle for van. Okay. So this is for land transport. Bus for land transport, on jeep for land transport, car land transport, van land transport. Okay, so on board all the circle image is the land transport. Understand what is land transport? Land transport is now more